Welcome to this overview of Ivanti Velocity with Speakeasy. During this video, here are some things to watch out for. 1. Every screen has a verbal instruction for the task. 2. Custom keyboards can be set up to pop up automatically when the user needs them, like on the error screen. 3. The interface is modernized and optimized to make a smooth and easy user experience. Let's take a look. To open Velocity, tap the Velocity icon on your device. Once it's opened, select the Speech demo.
Velocity demo. Speak your task.
Picking.
Scan task number. Go to location. Michael 5815 Foxtrot 10. Pick 27 cases.
27 ready.
Go to location. Foxtrot 2986 Golf 14. Pick 17 eaches.
16 ready.
Do you want to override the quantity?
No.
Pick 17 eaches.
18 ready.
Error. Quantity exceeded. Pick 17 eaches.
17 ready.
Go to location. Alpha 3440 Charlie 11. Pick 43 cases.
43 ready.
Go to location. Bravo 1302 Alpha 19. Pick 12 eaches.
12 ready.
Select printer for completed job.
Hold task.
Hold current task.
No.
Select printer for completed job.
Printer 2.
Scan staging location. Velocity demo. Speak your task.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us at supplychainsales@ivanti.com.